Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by adding your card to Wallet. Open Wallet, tap the plus sign, and either scan the card or type numbers manually so the bank can recognize it. Once done, follow on-screen verification. This may be a text, email, or bank app approval. Make sure Touch ID or a passcode is enabled for security so payments authorize instantly. This initial step links the card and satisfies security requirements, which is why you must complete verification before trying to pay. You pay by summoning Apple Pay. Double-click the side or home button, then authenticate with Touch ID or your passcode. Next, hold the top of your iPhone SE close to the contactless reader. You'll feel a subtle vibration and see Done with a check mark when the transaction completes. If you need a different card, tap the current card to reveal alternatives before holding near the reader. Once used, the system stores a tokenized transaction record, not your actual card number, for privacy and security. Finish by checking the receipt in Wallet or your bank app to confirm the amount and merchant. If a payment fails, restart your iPhone, verify NFC is enabled, and confirm the card is still verified in Wallet. Make sure your iOS and regional settings support Apple Pay and that you're within network range if verification needs online contact. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card after contacting your bank. This refreshes the tokenization and often resolves lingering authorization issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.